This is Anil Garg. I am an IT professional working with Bravura Solution as Service Delivery Manager. For me, Toastmaster means to have fun with lots of learning and have networking opportunities. It is helping me to improve my communication skill and leadership skill.
This is Toastmaster Monica Garg. I am into this beautiful journey of Toastmasters from past 2 years. To me, Toastmaster means becoming better speaker and get lot of positive energy, enthusiasm, appreciation and happiness.
Hello everyone, I am expressing my thoughts about Toastmasters through a poem I have written. Joining Toastmasters has been a great decision. It has indeed brought in me a lot of precision, instilling confidence, knowledge and collaboration. It's not only just about communication. Each role in Toastmasters has a different chapter that helps me handle life better. The platform has enabled me gain more, speaking in webinars, conferences and awards galore. Every member adds color, making it a beautiful fountain. I'm sure we will together move mountains. Happy 50th meeting to all the mountain movers.
Hi folks, good morning. I'm Vishnu Dikshit, working as a manager at Honda Two Wheelers Corporate Office Gurgaon, heading the Industrial Relations Department. I love to serve Mother Nature. I'm fond of reading books, particularly the autobiographies. Toastmasters, a fantastic platform for all of us. It provides opportunity to a person for developing the leadership skill, the communication skill, how to deliver speeches, the social speeches, every kind of speeches. It provides the opportunity how to evaluate the speeches, and it makes us a better citizen, better person. I should thank Toastmasters platform, the organization in particular, for giving me opportunity for improving myself. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, how are you? This is Abhi Mishra. I have been into the IT industry from the last 10 years and currently working with Publicis Sapient as a data analyst. So I've been part of Move Mountains Toastmaster Club from the last 1 year, and it's been really nice to to be a part of this community where you get learnings and fun all together. And I really wish all the best to this club on this 50th meeting. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Amarpreet Benz. I'm working as an HR VP for Business Support, and for me, Toastmaster is finding the lost part of business self-information. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Toastmaster Gautam Sajdeva. I'm a practicing chartered accountant. I always felt the need of effective communication and leadership skills. I think Toastmasters is the best platform to expand your public speaking skills and have some confidence in yourself. Happy 50th meeting, Move Mountains Toastmaster Club. We will together move the mountains.
Hello, I am Rashmi Naram, VPPR Move Mountains Toastmasters Club. As a Toastmaster, my journey started few months back, and it is able to do a lot of miraculous changes in my life. I am more confident public speaker now, and I am able to do a lot of things which I could not even think about before joining Toastmasters. Overall, there is a lot of changes in my personality and improvements that I can feel in my inner confidence, self-confidence.
Hello friends, I'm Rahul Jain, a chartered accountant. I'm got my platform to improve my communication and leadership skills. Move Mountains Toastmaster Club. Have you got yours?
Yeah, 50. Move Mountains Toastmasters Club, returning 50. I, Anirban Guha, by passion, a film director, by profession, a banker who works in Barclays as a vice president in risk management. Our club is turning 50 and Happy 50-50 to everyone. Thank you.
Hey, we are turning 50. Welcome to our 50th meeting. I am Shinjini Sengupta. I am an author, a TEDx speaker, and a distinguished Toastmaster, and the national president of Wiki at Mentoring and Soft Skills. And more recently, I have founded my company Lighthouse. At Lighthouse, I do exactly what you do at Toastmasters: teach powerful storytelling. Because storytelling sits at the heart of the future world. The world changes with storytelling. Here's to more storytelling, here's to Toastmasters, and here's to a very happy 50.